Okay, so this week was kind of a big week. The dryer broke, so I got a new part. This is what they call a trailer hitch. It basically is the back bearing for the dryer. So I was able to pick that up for less than $30. And then I just finished putting a couple of new little tiny radiator hoses. I say radiator coolant line hoses on the car because they gave up the ghost, and so I had to replace them. And then on Thursday, I made a video out of it. But on Thursday, the pump on my well went. So I put a new pump in here. And had to do that. It took almost a whole day because I had some issues. But the parts and tools for the well were like $600. Well, actually, I got a deal, so it was like half that, but I could have paid $600, but I would have been charged at least $1,000 for somebody to fix that. The dryer, say $30 worth of parts, it would have cost about $170 just to have somebody come out and take a look at it. The two little stupid radiator hoses, I say radiator coolant hoses, which, again, I made a video about this on another time. I actually had some hoses, so I was able to replace them for free. But it probably would have been at least $200 for some mechanic to do it. So this week, oh, wait a minute. And also, I'm not going to go back outside, but I've been doing this tongue and groove siding, and I put up a bunch of tongue and groove siding on the house. And again, if I were paying somebody to do that, so just this week, I saved $1,000 on the well, $200 on the car, and say $200 on the dryer. So $1,500 at least, just doing the stuff myself. So when people are like, and I love the videos, how'd you learn how to do all that stuff? Well, if you're going to be poor, got to learn how to do some stuff yourself. And then when you do it yourself, you can afford to buy some tools. And then the more tools you have, the more stuff you can do. And then all of a sudden, you're not poor anymore.